Hi everybody, I'm Brad Pike, your mayor for the City of Eagle with this week's Mayor Minute. Okay, our capital plan open house is coming up on Thursday, July 24th from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. here at our community hall. The capital plan covers the projects and maintenance items that the city plans to invest in over the next 5 years. At the open house, you'll get to see details on each project, projected timelines, and how much the city is planning to budget for each item. Of course, we want to hear your thoughts, so a survey is available for the capital plan starting July 24th through August 1st on our city's website. Even if you can't attend the open house, I encourage you to go to the website and look at the information. We're in budget season right now, and the special council meetings over the last couple of months have been on these budget workshops with each department. All the videos of these meetings are available on our website. And next month, the budget will be a public hearing item on our August 12th City Council meeting. And now's a great time to participate in what the city government is all about. And the council and myself were voted in to represent you, and we want to know what you think. As always, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.